How to hide the UI in Solo Leveling Arise. Hi everyone! Are you looking for a way to hide the UI in Solo Leveling Arise? Whether you want a cleaner screen for screenshots, videos, or just more immersive experience, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. First things first, launch open Solo Leveling Arise on your tablets or your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the main home page of Solo Leveling, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear button at the bottom right corner, and this will take you to the Options tab. From the Options tab, go ahead and scroll down from the Graphics tab and look for Hide UI. Click the On button right next to Hide UI in order to hide the UI during battle. Click on Confirm to confirm your change, and once you have this turned on, you'll be able to hide the UI in Solo Leveling. Now, it makes a big difference if you want a cleaner gaming experience. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.